So what is the patient population in any given disease that is attractive for development? This is a very difficult question to answer, and I would sort of try to go around it and look at it from different angles. Personally, I believe whenever we can have a very dramatic impact on patients that are in need for help, it's worthwhile doing. We have some extreme examples with Genzyme that has developed really rare indications. Oncology is maybe not going all the way to that extreme, but not that far away. Think about the Orphan Drug Act that was put in place to encourage companies to make investments into therapeutics. This is a very, very big number, and compared to where we were the Orphan Drugs Act today, we are already 100 times less than that. And still, some companies feel it's worthwhile the investment. We know that targeted therapies that have an high impact usually are priced better. They can achieve a better, because simply the value proposition is a very different one, and that is reflecting in the investment. Maybe it doesn't require the $800 million that it typically would take. And we need to learn how to become more efficient. I mean, Plexxikon is an example of trying to be very effective in drug development and making the dollars used. So there's ways where we still can become better, but there will be for some companies simply a limit where they say, we cannot simply afford, based on the cost structure we have, to invest into this. So, where people have problems, there's opportunities for other people. And I think companies like Plexxikon, they're small, nimble, there's only 40-some people, can tackle some of these things very effectively. So I think actually, if anything, it would be an opportunity in the biotech space to embrace these concepts and ask for how can we be faster, better, without having to spend the money to make it still a worthwhile proposition. I think it's worthwhile anytime when we can help people. It's a worthwhile proposition for me.